I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some excellent questions on graph of linear equations. Here's a thinking and communication question for you. It says, graph each of the following on the same grid using slope and y-intercept method. So we have equation for three different lines. The first one is y equals to minus 2x, then y equals to minus 2, and x equals to 2. I'd like you to pause the video, sketch the graph of these lines, and then check with my solution. Here is my solution. Y equals to minus 2x. So this is a straight line which has a slope of minus 2, and what is the y-intercept? Okay, let's write down slope and y-intercept for each one of these first, and then we will sketch them. Okay, so we need two things, that is slope and we need y-intercept. So let's write down slope and y-intercept for all the three lines. The first one, minus 2x. Slope is the coefficient of x. In general, we are considering line y equals to mx plus b, right? Now m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means x equals to 0, the value of y will be b. Well, in this case, it is minus 2 is the slope, coefficient of x, and the y-intercept is 0, right? So it's plus 0. So y-intercept is 0, correct? For the second one, what is the slope? Well, in this case, we do not have this x term, right? That means slope should have been 0, right? So in this case, our slope is actually equal to 0. And how about the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is minus 2, the value of y given to you, right? Even when x is 0, it is going to be minus 2. So that is the y-intercept. Now for the third line, it is x equals to 2. Remember, this is a vertical line. It cannot be represented by slope-intercept form. In this case, the slope is undefined. Don't write 0, it is undefined. And what is the y-intercept for this? Y-intercept is none. It does not have any y-intercept, right? X is equals to 2 for every value of y. That is what it is, right? Y, it will not have. It is just a straight vertical line and is never going to intersect y-axis. That is what it is, right? So that is how we can write on slope and y-intercept. And now in the second part, let us sketch them one by one. Y equals to minus 2x is a straight line with slope minus 2, right? So slope is minus 2 means what? And y-intercept of 0. So first you go to 0, the y-intercept, there you are. And then from here, minus 2 means a slope of, you can say minus 2 over 1, or you can also write this as equals to 2 over minus 1. That is how you can see this slope, right? So minus 2 over 1 means rise of minus 2, going down by 2. 1, 2, and 1 unit to the right. So that gives you a point here. And if you use 2 divided by minus 1, in this case rise is 2, 1, 2, and left 1. So that gives you the line y equals to minus 2x, correct? So there you go. So I'm just drawing a line here, joining these 3 points and arrows at the end. So we get our first line, which is y equals to minus 2x. The second line is slope of 0 and y-intercept is minus 2. So let's locate minus 2, the y-intercept. Slope 0 means rise is 0. So run could be anything. So it is on the same line, right? So it's a horizontal line. So we can draw a horizontal line to represent y equals to minus 2. So that becomes y equals to minus 2 for us, right? So this is the orange line for us, correct? Now let's draw x equals to 2. X equals to 2 is a vertical line where every point has one value of x, and that is 2. So that's a vertical line. So we'll use x equals to 2 and draw a vertical line right there. This is it. So that is a vertical line representing x equals to 2. Right? So that is how we can sketch these very special lines. Remember, vertical line cannot be written in slope-intercept form since the slope is undefined, correct? I hope this exercise helps you to understand better how to graph linear equations. Thank you and all the best.